Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I just want to show you guys, I received 1,000 envelopes, custom envelopes that I'm going to use for 30-Day Success Formula in the mail. And as you can see, there is the sales letter and then my cover letter. I'm not going to show the whole cover letter, but as you can see, we're ready to rock and roll. Customized cover letter and customized envelopes. So definitely check out the link below. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. All right, and I'm giving away 200 leads, guys, if you come in at level 2 or higher. Okay, the higher you come in, the more leads you'll get. But 30-Day Success Formula is an awesome program. Okay, it's a direct mail program if you're looking for a way to make money without having to talk to people, to sell anything, to use the internet, any of that. This is the program for you, okay? It's only 4 years old, okay? It's been around, it's been proven to work. Not to mention they're gonna give you a 90-day money-back guarantee, okay? And they're gonna mail 200 letters for you on your behalf, okay? All right, so go ahead and join. Click that link below and get started with me. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll get you the template of the cover letter and the place where we get these envelopes, okay? All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.